You guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla. I make makeup videos. So today I want to preface this video. I know that you didn't see October and November's BOXYCHARM unboxing, and that has two reasons. The first reason is I didn't film them until November, both of them, and I did them in one conjoined video. However, I cannot find that footage to save my life, so it's just not going to go up. And I don't know if I have missed maybe one BOXYCHARM video since I've started like filming BOXYCHARM videos here on YouTube. So I'm not really sure like what the deal is, but just doing this one. So plus they were like okay the last month or so, so today is this is the December box, so it is going to be like Boxyluxe. So BOXYCHARM regularly is now $25 a month. It started in November. It was $21. You get a good deal every month, though. It's almost always more than $100 worth of stuff. And it's stuff that you've heard of most of the time. Like you might get one or two products that you haven't, but you're definitely going to get one or two that you have. Like I'd say 90% of the time. So that's great. And it's just like so good. And then there's Boxy Premium, which you pay more for each month, but you can't get Premium and Luxe, so it's weird. But yeah, and then that's like an extra, like you get to pick one, like two things a month versus one thing a month or something. And then there's Boxyluxe, where it's a big kahuna that comes every 3 months. It's a quarterly like thing. You have to have regular subscription and to get Boxyluxe. So it's like a step up, like every 3 months, and it costs $50, and it's wonderful usually. So let's jump into this month's. This month's theme is whimsy. That's what it looks like. So let's see. The first thing is a daily concepts, individuals who think and sing in the shower, your hair wrap towel. So it's just one of those little like you wrap it around and like tuck it in, and it holds all your hair there, like you just like shoot. So, and it dries. It says anti-freeze, easy to use, and hands-free drying. So we'll see about that. Should I put it on? Okay. I'll see how much this retails for. $18. So it goes like this. And all your hair goes in it. It's really hard to do when your hair is dry. But then you like wrap it. This is wild. And then like there's a button on the back that you pin it, but I don't want to pin my dry hair in it. So we're just not going to, but you get the idea. But it's easier to use when your hair's wet because it's all like clumped together, you know? Not loose and running about like mine is. So yeah, that's cool. It feels kind of, Landon would not like how that feels. It's like that microfiber-y feeling. So yes. Then the next thing I'm not excited about at all. This is Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics palette. It retails for $55. It's Little Briar Rose palette. It just looks cheap. Like, I'm sorry, but it does. I can swatch some of these colors that look okay. Like Enchanted looks okay. But still, like it's nothing to like call home about. That actually isn't a bad color. Let's try Grim. So they are a little pigmented, but they just like it doesn't speak to me. Like those colors, okay, they had good payoff. So let's try some of the other ones because it just doesn't look good. The blue one maybe? Ooh, maybe. Okay, it's not amazing pigment, but it's okay. The silver is odd, but there. This pink shade, it's like, that one's not very good. And then we'll go for this grayish blue color. So it's a hit or miss. I like some of the shades. I don't like all of them. So I don't know. Maybe I'll give it away. I just don't see myself reaching for it for anything but that one goldish shade that I first swatched. So we'll see. It's definitely not worth $55. I would never pay that for that palette. Go get you a Huda palette. I'm like, no, thank you. The next thing is kind of funny. I forgot that I picked this. It's the Cosmetics Facial Roller. It says it's a hexagon-shaped cosmetic facial roller. It's an innovative beauty tool used to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance skin texture, and uplift fatigued skin. It retails for $69. Feels heavy. It's a nice, like, I like the color. I think I picked the color too. I don't entirely remember. So let's see. Face and Body Massage Beauty Roller. You can use it on your forehead, cheeks, collarbone, upper arm, hand, neck, shoulder, cervical spine, and your calves. Simply roll the unique hexagon roller all over his face to leave feeling energized and enhanced. It has germanium stone encrusted with 24 massaging stones containing power, tighten, and energize skin. Connecting bar connects roller and handle. Handle easy to hold. Roll and massage your face whenever you want. It does feel nice. I probably shouldn't do it with makeup on. I'm gonna have to wash it. Interesting. Is it just stimulating blood flow? Like, is that all it's doing? Huh. I wonder if you could do this, like, with your serums and stuff on, or if you should do it before. Interesting, though. I got makeup all over it. It's fine. I wonder if I took all my makeup off. No, it still looks okay. So that's neat. We'll see how that goes, I guess. And then we have a couple more things in here. There's like, I'm just gonna take it out. Okay. Put the trash back in the box. Okie dokie. So the next thing, this is funny because I just talked about this in my gratis haul. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It's the one I'm using right now, and I just got a little one in my gratis haul, and now I have a big one as well. I really like this. It smells like cucumber. It's a gentle cleanser, and it's just been working for me. It doesn't foam up a lot, and it can leave my face feeling a little bit sticky, which is weird because I've definitely rinsed it all off. Like, I first noticed it last night, even though I've been using it for like a week now. That, like, after because I used it with my Clarisonic for the first time last night, which is weird because it doesn't foam up. So, like, you don't really know that it's, like, deep cleaning as well. But it's fine. But I like it so far. It's not breaking me out. It's, like, just cleansing the skin gently. I haven't used it with makeup yet. So, I don't know if that's going to work. Then okay, that also retails for $48. So, that alone is pretty much worth the price of the box. So, I'm excited for that. And then we have this ELEMIS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Ooh, this is good. I needed an oil. I was just talking about this in my gratis video that which I'm not sure is going to be up before this, so sorry, spoiler alert. But I needed an oil because as you know, I was breaking out for a while, like a lot, and my skin is finally starting to calm down. I realized what the deal was. Like, I had, was using some vitamin C products that I didn't realize had vitamin C in them, so that was a big problem for me. I am very, like, vitamin C breaks me out really, really, really bad. I was breaking out all over my face, especially on the bottom of my face, and I'm still broken out. Like, you can kind of see the texture here, and on my chin we have some friends, and then over here. But it's definitely improving so much that I'm not using that anymore, and I'm using that Fresh Soy Cleanser. So I'm excited to have this because it's a collagen facial oil, which, first of all, hello, collagen is wonderful. I love the Algenist Collagen Serum. Like, it helps with my my forehead wrinkles really well. Let me see, make sure this doesn't have a vitamin C in it. Excuse me, Emma. She's sniffing all of my boxes. Just says rose. Kelp. Doesn't say anything about vitamin C, so sounds like it's gonna be a go for me, and pretty excited for this. It's a half a fluid ounce, which isn't awful. I prefer to have an ounce. I kind of want to feel it, but I don't want to waste it. We'll do with the smallest drop on the back of my hand. The dropper gives you a lot. Ooh, it looks really liquidy. One little baby drop. liquidy is good because it means you'll use less. Ooh, that does feel nice. That feels really nice. Very soft. It soaks in really quickly, which is okay. But it does, it smells like rose like an old lady, but it feels good. What are you eating? Please stop, Miss Emma. That feels really nice. I'm excited to use that. Probably gonna start using it tonight, not gonna lie. Then we have this Too Faced Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I thought I got this in another box. At least this, or maybe gratis. I don't know, but at least this one is a nice color. It's called Two Night Stand. It's a pink. The other one that I got, I thought was like a purple. I don't know. I really thought I got another one, but I can't find it. So maybe I did it like a purpley color, I thought. Like purple and orange. I don't know. I don't know where it is. So, but let's try this. I kind of want to try it on. There's no indication of what the, oh wait, there is a sticker. So it's definitely got some glitter, but it's kind of cute on top of this lip. So I'm not disappointed in it. And this retails for $21. I'm glad they include a brand that's like well known. So that's good. So far I'm really pleased with this month's box. Let's keep it moving though. The next thing, ooh, and it has a coupon in it. 30% off your first purchase from M Greengrass. Use code BOXY30. You have until February 1st, so that's great. Let's see. It's a dry oil spray. This fast-absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous without feeling greasy. For hair, spray the oil under your palms or run through the tips of your hair to disperse. For face, spray the oil under your hands and apply it to where it's needed. I don't know if I would want to use the same thing in my hair as on my face. It has shea butter, sunflower oil, olive oil, avocado oil, some other stuff, vitamin E, rapeseed oil, and fragrance. I guess we can spray on my hand. Ooh. Smells really good, actually. Feels really good, too. You can see that glow. Ooh, I bet that would look really good, like, on your collarbone. I have so much, jewelry on. Ooh, that feels really hydrating. Wow, that feels nice. Okay. I am impressed. Like, it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels really hydrating. I'm getting red, though, so. Interesting. Alright, so we'll see how that goes. What is this? M Greengrass? Retails for $36. So, I really like that. Interesting. 2 more products left. One is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, which is really good for me because I try not to wash my hair but once every 3 to 4 days. So I do get really greasy by the end of that, and I really need this to help me look not greasy. And that's a good size dry shampoo too. 6.3 ounces. I got another one from Sephora My Grounders, and it's 7.6 ounces. So I guess there is more. This one just feels heavier. I don't know. But I've heard good things about this, but you have to really shake it and like let it sit first when you put it in there to absorb the oil, and then you can rub it through, which I don't know if, I guess you're supposed to do that with all dry shampoos, but I'm not good at remembering that. And last but not least is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter in the shade, what does it say? Confetti? Is that it? Like, is that all of it is? Okay, well, let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's got like a nice design texture to it. So let's grab a highlighter brush and put this baby on. I do have highlighter on already, but we're just gonna swirl in there and add to it. So it didn't really add much. So, ooh, it did add to my nose. That's like a nice natural glow. This could be really nice when you're just trying to have that glow from within, not like beaming. That looks really good on my forehead. Ooh, I like it. Let's put it on there with my oily situation I've got going on and all these necklaces. This is my hair powder necklace. It's got the bolt, a little chain, and then the chosen one written on there. So let's just see if we can swatch this really quick. So it's nothing crazy, but it's just really nice like on the face. Like, and it looks really dark on my hand, but on my face it looks really good. So I don't know. This retails for $32, and I'm sorry, the dry shampoo retails for $27. So this month box is killing it, honestly. Like, I'm more impressed than I thought I was gonna be. I did not like that Store Bought Cosmetics palette, but everything else looks wonderful. So let's just do some quick math here. The palette is $55. The oil is $79. Holy crap. The highlighter is $32. The cleanser is $48. The hair wrap is $18. I forgot that was in there. The dry shampoo is $27. The dry oil spray is $36. The gloss is $21. And the face roller is $69. So we're looking at $385 value. That is phenomenal. You pay $55. It's just, BOXYCHARM is such a good deal every single freaking time. So I'm just really pleased with it, honestly. So I'm excited. And even like without that palette that I didn't like, it's still a $330 value. So hey, like, I'm not complaining at all. I wish I could find the other one of these that I have, because I'm pretty sure I have like the purple and orangey one. I don't know where it is. I don't know. So that being said, my skin looks stunning right now with that highlighter. Like, it looks a little bit more blingy on camera than it does in person. In person, it just looks like a nice, beautiful, like, natural glow. Like, I look healthy. And that's all I want in my skin. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, 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 please subscribe. If you haven't already, don't forget to check me out on Instagram. It's at MakeupMySmile, just like it is here. I'm trying to post more regularly, so keep an eye out for that. Try to hold me accountable. I try to do once a week. It's not going as greatly as I'd like it to, but here we are. It's fine. So yeah, thank you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Okay, bye guys.